Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel, Crypto Darkness. Before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media here. So today in this video, ladies and gentlemen, I will show you an amazing broker, one of the best, the SimpleFX, one of the best brokers for the last month. All what you have to do is follow me on this video, because the past videos I showed you I explained how it works and how you can verify your account. But for now, I will show you how you can make a deposit, how you can trade, and also how you can choose some smart strategies. See you soon, guys, after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we are completely we will continue how you can trade on the SimpleFX broker traders, where you can trade here. So after the first and second video, I just show you how you can verify your account. Now let's go and make a trade. So before start, I just want to remind you that you can make a crypto and fiat deposit from your bank account, your Visa, the Nettler, Scalar, and Visa Base, or you can do the Tether for the crypto like Bitcoin here, BNB, and Bitcoin Cash, and a lot of cryptocurrencies for sure like Tron, USD Coin, etc. But for me, it's better to do the Tether USDT for me. So you can choose the BIP, which network that you want, BIP20, ERC20, 20, TRC20, etc. And we have here the limits. So for example, I choose the BIP20, make a deposit like this, and now you have to complete this. So this is learn more about, this is the chain and this is the contract. So all what you have to do is you can make your deposit via this QR code, or you can just copy this link, this address wallet, and share it with your friends to do this. So you can check here how much that you want to make a deposit with, and you can also get, or you can try with the TRC20 or ERC20. So for me, I prefer to do it with the TRC20, and you can choose here the amount for sure. And now all what you have to do is make this one. So I will make a withdrawal from here, and then I will back to you guys. So I just make a deposit. Now let's wait how much that we have on our live account. This is our live account, as you see. And now let's try with the demo account, for example 10,000 USDT. So we have here some tools. As you see, these tools can help you can change the line if you want the bar or the line or anything. So we have here some tools. These tools can help you for sure with your trading amount. You can try it by yourself, like one by one, for example, and you can see here that they have also some smart investment amount for this for sure. So you can expect how much the trader will be in the next few days for sure. So ladies and gentlemen, you can select here the time, and we have here your favorite account, like for example they have a lot of things here, and we have here the favorite cryptos. You can check one by one if you want. So this is for example the Bitcoin and the Nvidia, the oil, and a lot of things for sure. If you wanna open, just click here and open chart. You can check here this one for the oil, as you see, the euro, USD, and a lot of things. We have here the symbol information, the high trading widgets, and a lot of things. So you can make a deposit here, or you can open a new one. So we have here, you can sell this one at that price exactly, or you can buy it at that one exactly. So if you wanna buy, just select here the market, or you can do the pending. If you wanna make a pending, you can buy it at this time exactly. And we have here the available amount 24 hours. So you can select which one, and this is the take a profit if you want, and for sure if you wanna make a take a loser for sure. So after that, you can just make a submit, and the order successfully opened. Now we have one open order, as you see, and pending is 0, closed is 0. So we have just buy this one at that price exactly 0.1, and you can close it at any time by clicking here and close the market price for here. So we have now one close, so you can check one by one and you can make a new orders like buy for this German 40, and you can do also the pending like this and select how much the price for you, how much you want exactly, and make a submit, and this one for the close one as you see. And you can also sell something if you want to sell. You can sell this one for 23,756 as you see, and you can submit here. So now you can find it here, and now we have the official account with $10. You can see everything here. We have here the Ethereum for sure. You can make a new order if you want, and you can buy the Ethereum at this time exactly 4,179, and you can do a market. So you can do a market, or you can pending exactly if the price down till, for example, 170. For example, if the price is 170, you can buy it like this, and you can select your amount, how much that you want to buy. It's available 0.01 here, and you can select here the margin, for example $0.20, and you can stop loss or take a profit. So then you can just click submit. You can see here that the pending one is live for sure for this German. So you can also buy anything you want. For example, if you wanna make a new order for the Ethereum and you can buy it at this time, at this price exactly, you can buy this one at that price exactly and select submit here, and for sure it is submitted. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. We have here my orders for the Ethereum. This one is submitting, and this one also it's pending. So everything is clear. As you see, you can check here all your account here and your demo account also, and you can trade like this. So you can check, ladies and gentlemen, everything about the project here, and for sure you can select which one that you wanna try with, invest on it. So let's open the chart, and we have here the price for now is 1,178. You can just see this is the price for the market that I made, one open and one close. You can close it if you wanna make a close it, just click here and close it like this, but you can't get any profit if you did this, if you close. So all what you have to do is wait till you get your account. So now we have almost 996 USDT. You can withdraw it wherever you want. If you want to make a withdrawal, you can just go and manage your account. If you want to make a withdrawal, you can make it like this from here and show more details withdrawal. Anyway, you can select the withdrawal price and just make here, and you have to pass your address wallet, but before that you can just add it. I will show you in the next video how you can do this. See you soon guys in the next videos. Goodbye.